Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Music app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You scrolling down here until you will find here apps, click on it. You will find here apps list until you're looking for Amazon Music app, or just click on search. Down here at Amazon Music, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. You scrolling down here. Click on storage. You will find here storage list. Click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store. Just click here on your Play Store. And you search here for Amazon Music. It's going to show for you like this. You will find it. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.